Hi, this is Abe, and in this video I'm going to talk about multi-table queries, also known as joins in Oracle Database, specifically focusing on inner joins for this video. I'll talk about their use, run through the syntax, and then try out an example. So inner joins. Say we want to retrieve some data from our database. We could run separate queries against each table, giving us results that we'll have to put together ourselves, or we can use a join statement that will do that for us, and therefore less work for us to do. Now, when tables are joined using an inner join, records in both tables must satisfy the condition to appear in the result set. So something like this. If you're joining two tables, table 1, table 2, with an Oracle inner join, that would return the records where table 1 and table 2 intersect. Now, looking at the syntax, it's basically a select statement. Select column names from table name, and follow that with the keyword inner join, and then provide the second table name that you want to join to table 1, or the first table, and then provide the condition by using the on, and then the column names that you want to join these two tables on. And as I go through the example, hopefully that'll make more sense. Okay, so I've already got my SQL Developer application open. I've got a connection to my database. It's called xe-hr. So I'm using the HR account for this video, which has some sample tables and sample data. Now it comes as part of the default install when you install Oracle XC. You just basically have to turn on the account or activate or enable the account, which I've done in previous videos, so check that out if you need help with that. And for this example today, or in this video, I'm basically wanting to join the employees table and the job history table. So I'll go ahead and start with my SQL statement and basically select e.employee ID, comma, e.first name, comma, e.last name, comma, e.salary, and jh dot end date. Those are my column names. And then from employees table, follow that with an E. So what I've done there, basically I'm selecting the employee ID, first name, last name, salary, and end date. All these ones here are from the employees table, right there. And I basically gave an alias as E for the employees table, and I've done that or talked about that in a previous video, how to set up aliases. So if you need more info on that, go back and check that out. So employees, so anytime right now I want to refer to an employees table or within this statement, I just use the letter E. So from employees E, and then inner join, and the other table was job history. And I did the same thing with this one, so because I want the end date column from the job history table, and I've referenced JH, so I'm going to set up a alias as JH for job history, and then my join condition right here, e.employee ID equals JH dot employee ID. Semicolon to close that. I'm going to do Control Enter to run that, and there's our results. Now if you look at the employees table, if I click on that and then click on data, you'll see we have a lot more employees than 10. But if we look at the job history table, we only have 10 records. So basically the joint condition only met 10 records from both those tables, and that's why we saw in our result only 10 records. There you have it. Talked about inner joins, looked at the syntax, run through an example, and then verified our results. I'll be posting this to my blog, which I'll link to in the description box below. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and see you later.